YouTube has become one of the most potent venues in the digital era for content producers to express their ideas, amuse viewers, and establish a personal brand. With more than 2 billion monthly active viewers, YouTube offers a plethora of chances for people to make a living off of their love of making videos. Whether you're an experienced filmmaker, an aspiring musician, a gamer, or someone with a particular interest or skill, YouTube offers a platform for your creativity to flourish and earn money. The freedom to express oneself, the opportunity to reach a worldwide audience, and the capacity to inspire and influence others are all factors that contribute to the attractiveness of earning money on YouTube in addition to the financial gains. Anyone with a camera and an internet connection may begin their road towards financial independence using YouTube, unlike conventional career choices that may need years of formal education and experience. Though there are few obstacles to admission, it's crucial to note that success and significant revenue generation need commitment, forethought, and a thorough grasp of the platform's functionality. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Advertising income. Most typically, YouTube is made profitable via ad sales. This method involves YouTube playing advertising before, during, or after a video, with a portion of the money made from the commercials going to the creator. You must first activate channel monetization in order to begin receiving advertising revenue from your YouTube channel. To do this, go to your channel settings and choose the monetization option. After that, go to the guidelines to connect your AdSense account to your channel. You might begin making money from the advertisements that appear on your videos if your channel is authorized for monetization. The quantity of views your videos get, the kind and location of the advertisements, and the level of audience participation all affect how much money you may be able to generate from ad income. For every 1,000 views, YouTube producers usually get a reward of $1 to $3. However, this might change according on the kind of advertising you post and the price an advertiser bids on them. The length of your movie may also have an impact on its earnings since longer videos often have more advertising, which raises sales. YouTube Premium. Users may view videos without commercial interruptions, listen to music non-stop, and access exclusive content with YouTube Premium. For the service, money is received. The YouTube Premium revenue platform makes it possible to compensate creators. Based on their portion of the watch time from YouTube Premium subscribers, YouTube pays creators this sum. To be eligible for payment using this feature, authors must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of approved public viewing in the year before. You may start earning money from YouTube Premium income as soon as you complete these requirements. Affiliate promotion. On YouTube, affiliate marketing is yet another well-liked method of earning money. In this kind of performance-based marketing, a company will provide you a fee for each sale that is made via your special affiliate link. If you are a beauty YouTuber and you suggest a cosmetic product in one of your videos, for instance, you could include a link in the description of the video that leads to the product's page for purchase. In the event that a visitor clicks the link and purchases anything, you will get a portion of the revenue. You must first join yourself with a company in order to begin making money with affiliate marketing. You may do this by contacting them directly or by signing up for an affiliate program like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. Once you have a partnership and an affiliate link, you may utilize it in your videos and be paid a portion of any purchases made via it. Sponsorships. In contrast to affiliate marketing, sponsorships pay you a set amount in exchange for using your video to promote a product or service. There is no commission involved. In contrast to affiliate partnerships, sponsorships need a more direct marketing of the business or item. This might show up as the brand being mentioned or shown in the video. Getting sponsorships requires building a sizable YouTube following. Businesses often seek out manufacturers with a large and active fan following in order to sell the goods. It might be easier to gain sponsorship business if you have a target market and a specialty. By contacting businesses directly or by being a part of influencer networks that link firms and artists, you may get sponsorships. Items for sale. The sale of goods on YouTube is an additional source of income. Those that follow you closely could be interested in purchasing goods with your name or content. Products like t-shirts, caps, mugs, and other accessories that represent your brand or are related to your content may be made and sold by you. To sell products, you may create an online shop or utilize YouTube integrated systems like Teespring or Merch Shelf. After that, you may advertise your products in your videos, on your channel, and on social media. Using crowdsourcing. You may utilize crowdsourcing to raise money for your projects or the production of content by asking your audience for financial assistance. This may be accomplished via platforms such as Patreon, when producers provide exclusive material or benefits to their fans in return for a consistent monthly contribution. For instance, you may give your Patreon supporters first access to your movies, behind-the-scenes tours, or Q&A sessions. Another way to get money is to use YouTube's Super Chat function, which lets users donate during a live broadcast in return for the creator's shoutouts or highlighted words. This is a great method to both engage your audience and make money. YouTube Partner System. Through the YouTube Partner Program, producers may take part in a variety of initiatives and get money from their channels. Features that we have already spoken about, such channel subscriptions, hyper chat, retail shelves, and other revenue opportunities, are included. You must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 permitted public watch hours over the course of the previous 12 months in order to be eligible for the partner program. To keep your eligibility, you must also abide by YouTube's rules and community standards. Participating in the partner program may allow you to monetize YouTube via other channels. Producing content for commercial enterprises. Finally, if you have a sizable YouTube following, you may use your talents to make sponsored videos for companies. Examples of this include writing product reviews, creating promoted material, and producing sponsored videos. Since you can reach a wide and specific audience, as a creator you will be useful to companies trying to market the goods or services. By joining influencer marketing networks or networking with businesses, you may discover these chances. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.